students, I am Ritika Gaur. In the previous video, we have started the chapter Minerals and Energy Resources, and in the first part, we have done the introduction of minerals and their availability sources. Now, moving further, we will study them in detail. Minerals are classified broadly into metallic and non-metallic, where further, metallic minerals are classified as ferrous, non-ferrous, and precious. Ferrous is nothing but combination of iron ore or iron itself. For example, iron, iron ore, nickel, manganese, etc. They provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. In the ferrous minerals, the most important is the iron. Three-fourths of the metallic minerals are dependent on the iron. It provides a strong base for development of industries in Indian context, as I mentioned earlier. Iron ore, which is available in India, is the basic raw material and backbone for industries. We also have, fortunately, good quality of iron ore available to us. We have both magnetite and hematite iron ores available in our country, where hematite ore is the most important industrial ore in terms of quantity used, but yes, has slightly lower iron content than magnetite, just say 50 to 60%. Now let us move to the regions or areas where iron ore is located for us. The major belts in India are like number one, Orissa and Jharkhand belt. The surrounding regions of Orissa and Jharkhand have the combinations of the iron ore under the layers of the earth where the mining is being done and iron ore is extracted from there. Later we have Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt, which lies in Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh region, which is having nearly 14 hematite mining centers, and iron ore is available on a very large scale. Third one is Bellary Chitradurga Chikmagalur Tumkur region, which is largely located, and actually all parts are located in Karnataka. Last is the Maharashtra Goa belt, where we have large availability of iron for us. So the main point is iron is providing a strong base for all the industries in our country, and yes, it is abundantly available also. This pie chart is showing the production or availability of iron ore state-wise in our country. Next important mineral of ferrous family is manganese. It is used to make steel and ferromanganese alloy. In order to make steel, we must use manganese in combination to make steel solidated. For example, 10 kg of manganese is must to make 1 ton of steel. It's not that only steel we use manganese. We are using manganese in combination for bleaching powder in order to clean the houses, and also in paints and insecticides. We have the largest production from state of Orissa, which accounts for nearly one-third of the entire India's production of manganese. This pie chart is showing the state-wise production of manganese in India in detail. Moving on to non-ferrous minerals, simply a non-ferrous mineral is any mineral that does not contain iron in appreciable amount. For example, copper, lead, tin, bauxite. These are the minerals where the influence of iron is not present. Now moving towards copper. India has been a deficient country in the availability of copper. Deficient here means not available in the completely required level. Although copper is also malleable, which means when it is exposed to heat, it can be formed into thin layers or sheets. It is also ductile and good conductor of electricity. Energy passes through copper very fast and very soon, thus useful to make electronic cables, electronic items. Thus, copper is high demand in our country, irrespective of the fact that it is very less available. Moving on to bauxite. Bauxite and bauxite deposits are the next part of our lesson. Bauxite is used in making of aluminium. It is found under the rocks. Bauxite deposits formed by decomposition of rocks rich in aluminium silicates. Aluminium combines the strength of metals with extreme lightness and with good conductivity and malleability. Bauxite deposits are found largely in Orissa in our country. These two pie charts are showing the production of copper and bauxite respectively in India. Now let us move on to the non-metallic minerals available in India. We will start from mica. Mica is available abundantly in India. It is available in the form of series of plates. It is available in different colors like black, red, green, yellow, whereas it is having very low power loss. It is also having resisting power to high voltage. These features make it suitable for electronic goods specifically. In India, we find mica in two states mainly, that is in Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Now moving on to the rock minerals wherein we are dealing with the limestone. Lime is actually the combination of rocks which is made up of calcium or calcium and magnesium carbonates. It is found under the sedimentary rocks. We generally use limestone in cement industry where it acts as the basic raw material, and also in order to melt the iron ore in blast furnace we use limestone. The mineral resources are finite and non-renewable, so there is need to conserve our mineral resources and use it judiciously in the following ways. Mineral resources should be used in planned and sustainable manner. Technologies should be developed to use lower grade minerals at lower costs. Metals should be recycled and alternative minerals should be used so that minerals can be conserved. Use of scrap metals should be there. Substitute of minerals should be created and they should be used more. Now students, from the topics we have covered in this video, attempt the questions given in checklist and do it in your copy. Thank you.